Hey guys, Jonathan here with TLD. Hope you guys are doing well. So just last week, there were two potential problems with the iPhone 6 design. One was the lack of chamfers, which created a possibility of dropping your phone, making it slippery, a lack of grip. And the second was a protruding camera lens, where if you would lie your phone flat on the table, it's gonna wobble around like crazy. And now there's a third potential problem, and that is the possibility of a 6 Plus actually bending. So we're here to find out if a case is a solution. So a lot of people have actually been reporting that this problem started with their front pocket. So I got my buddy Austin No Pants Evans,
who's wearing skinny jeans right now, and we're gonna go ahead and put the 6 Plus with the case in my front pocket. Now it might seem like a pretty easy test. However, I've actually broken a phone, it was the original Moto X, in my front pocket before. Mind you, it was with go-karting, but with some real extreme sitting. See how it goes.
Now before I have Austin sit down, I just want to quickly show you guys, this is the Spigen Tough Armor for the 6 Plus, and the whole point of this is to add some rigidity to the 6 Plus, so hopefully we'll be able to prevent that bending. As you guys can see, if we bend this a little bit, it's going to add some pretty solid housing to what is obviously not so solid on that aluminum.
All right, I think the extreme sitting is done. Phone looks pretty decent. I don't see any major damage to the case, so let's pop it out and see what it looks like. No, I don't see anything. Looks pretty much untouched. So, looks like my extreme sitting wasn't quite extreme enough.
So now I got my buddy Judner, aka Quentin. We're moving on to round 2, which is going to be even more extreme than extreme sitting. This is the back pocket test, which we were surprised to learn a lot of people actually put their phones in their back pocket.
The iPhone 6 is a pretty sketchy phone to throw in your back pocket, but since people are doing it, we've got to test it out. Yeah, heard a little crack there. Hopefully it's just the case.
A little scared to check that out.
That crack, I don't know.
There's no cracks to the screen. Let's go ahead and
case looks fine.
peel it out. Hopefully, my heart dropped a little bit at first. Well, either way, it looks like it has survived test 1 and 2. So now we're gonna go to the extreme tests. So earlier, if you missed it, Lou from Unbox Therapy started this entire bend craze, and I was genuinely curious to see if a case would solve that. If you did miss his video though, I'll have it linked down below. But now, we're gonna recreate that bend test, but with a case, and see if it solves the problem.
Oh, yeah, it's bending for sure.
Hey, that didn't sound good.
I'm really sorry about this, but I can't take any requests.
I'm sorry too, Siri.
Please try it.
I'm sorry too, Siri. That's about as hard as I could possibly bend it.
I'm really sorry about this, but I can't take any requests right now. Please try again in a little while.
Okay, Siri. So we're gonna take it out. That was painful. That was painful. And I'm thinking not even the case solved it, just from taking it out of the case. I mean, it's not actually, okay, if we look at it, that's not terrible. It's not as drastic as Lou's video. And I was going as hard as I possibly could. So you can see there's definitely a little bit of a bend, but for a fact, it definitely looks like at least adding a case will remedy that to some extent. It's not gonna permanently fix it or be the end all be all, but it is gonna help that. So there you guys go. It's not gonna 100% solve the problem, but I think for everyday situations, not all of you guys are gonna Hulk smash or try to bend the crap out of your phone. It's gonna provide the protection that you need. And I'm actually teaming up with Spigen to give away 50 of these cases, either iPhone 6 or 6 Plus. And you guys can win one by checking out the link below. I'll have a slew of different iPhone 6 and 6 Plus cases. All you gotta do is go find out which case you want, come back in the comments, tell me which one, then I will select 50 random winners. Aside from that, if you guys have any questions, everything will be recapped in the description. Thanks again, this is Jonathan with TLD, and I will see you guys later.